Hello, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to uh, version, our version number one of our lesson this afternoon. And this is your host, uh, Mom Eden. Just call me Mom Eden. And for you to be able to learn more, I would like you all to subscribe, like or heart, and then share my video so that many will learn from this. So I will be sharing my screen, and I would like you all to uh, listen and of course learn from our lesson this afternoon. So our lesson is about subject-verb agreement. Now, we understand that there are many rules in the subject-verb agreement, but let us start with the basic rule. So, rule number one, a singular verb agrees with a singular subject. When we say singular verb, we are talking about uh, a verb that usually ends in S in the third person singular. And when we say a singular subject, normally uh, a noun that does not have an S. So it means it refers only to only one. For example, the farmer plows the field. So if you notice here, the word farmer is singular. It refers only to one person because it does not end in S. And the verb here, plows, actually signifies also in the third person singular because it ends in S. Okay, so the verb plows actually is agreeing with the singular subject farmer. Another example, the child plays in the backyard. So the verb plays rather, is agreeing with the noun child because child refers to only one. So you have the child plays. Okay. Then another example. The next example actually uses a subject which has pronoun as a subject. So you have there, she does her assignment. The verb does is actually the third person singular form of the base form of the verb do. And she is actually a third person singular pronoun. Therefore, does just agrees with the pronoun she. And another is before she sleeps. Actually, the whole sentence is she does her assignment before she sleeps. So if you notice, the underlined verb sleeps is agreeing with the verb she. Okay. Then you have the next example. The teacher writes on the board. So the verb writes actually agrees with the noun teacher. And teacher is a singular noun, therefore, writes agrees with the singular subject teacher. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope that you will learn from our lesson.